Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be looking at how aloe vera gel can help to get rid of freckles. Freckles are brown spots that appear on the skin due to an increase in melanin production. They are harmless but can cause distress to some people who desire to have an even-toned skin. Freckles usually appear on the face, arms, and chest and are more common in children than in adults. While there is no cure for freckles, there are ways to minimize their appearance. One such method is the use of aloe vera gel. In this video, we will explore how aloe vera gel can help to reduce the appearance of freckles. We will also discuss how to use aloe vera gel for this purpose and the benefits of aloe vera gel for the skin. So if you want to know how you can get rid of freckles naturally, then stay tuned till the end of this video. Aloe vera is a tropical plant that has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It is known to soothe sunburns, reduce inflammation, and promote skin health. The active ingredients in aloe vera gel, including vitamins A, C, E, and B12, as well as minerals and antioxidants, work together to provide these benefits. When applied to the skin, aloe vera gel is quickly absorbed and leaves a refreshing, non-sticky feeling. It is also important to note that aloe vera is a natural product, which means that it does not contain any harsh chemicals or additives that could potentially harm your skin. This makes it a great option for those with sensitive skin who may be at risk of irritation from other products. In addition to its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera gel is also effective in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This is due to its high concentration of antioxidants which protect the skin from free radicals that cause cellular damage over time. Additionally, aloe vera stimulates collagen production, which helps to improve skin elasticity and firmness. This makes the skin look smoother and more youthful by minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Another benefit of aloe vera gel is its ability to protect the skin from harmful UV rays. This is because it contains a substance called aloesin, which has been shown to have some screen-like properties. When applied to the skin, aloesin absorbs UV radiation and prevents it from penetrating deep into the skin cells. This helps to reduce the risk of sunburn and other UV-induced skin damage such as premature aging and skin cancer. To use aloe vera gel for maximum benefit, it is important to choose a high-quality product that is 100% pure aloe vera gel. This ensures that you get all the beneficial nutrients and compounds that aloe vera has to offer, without any additives or fillers. Look for products that are labeled as organic and free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, as these can cause irritation or allergic reactions on the skin. You can find high-quality aloe vera gel in health food stores, online retailers, and some supermarkets. Now let's look at how to use aloe vera gel to get rid of freckles. The first step is to cleanse your face thoroughly with a mild cleanser. This will remove any dirt or makeup and allow the aloe vera gel to penetrate deeper into the skin. After cleansing your face, pat it dry with a clean towel and apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to the affected areas. Leave the gel on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process once a day for best results. It is important to note that while aloe vera gel can help reduce the appearance of freckles, it will not completely eliminate them. This is because freckles are caused by an increase in melanin production, which is controlled by genetics. However, aloe vera gel can help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, which can make freckles less noticeable. Now let's take a closer look at the benefits of aloe vera gel for the skin. First, aloe vera gel is an excellent moisturizer. It helps to keep the skin hydrated and prevents it from drying out. This is due to its unique composition of polysaccharides, which are long sugar molecules that help to retain moisture in the skin. Second, aloe vera gel is anti-inflammatory. It can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and swelling. This is due to its high concentration of antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals that cause inflammation in the body. Third, aloe vera gel is antimicrobial. It can help to kill bacteria and other microorganisms that can cause skin infections. This is due to its acidic pH, which creates an environment that is not conducive to the growth of microorganisms. Fourth, aloe vera gel is anti-aging. It can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin look younger and more elastic. This is due to its high concentration of antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from free radical damage and its ability to stimulate collagen production. Fifth, aloe vera gel is also good for acne-prone skin. It can help to reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne and also kill bacteria that can cause acne breakouts. However, it is important to note that while aloe vera gel has many benefits for the skin, it is not a miracle cure for all skin problems. If you have any serious skin concerns, it is important to seek professional medical advice and treatment. Additionally, some people may be allergic to aloe vera gel. So it is always important to test a small amount on your skin before applying it topically or ingesting it orally. If you are looking for additional ways to reduce the appearance of freckles, there are some lifestyle changes that you can make. First, avoid sun exposure during peak hours when the sun's rays are the strongest. Second, wear protective clothing such as hats and sunglasses to protect your skin from the sun. Third, use sunscreen regularly with an SPF of 30 or higher. Fourth, eat a healthy diet rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E. These antioxidants can help to protect the skin from free radical damage and reduce the appearance of freckles. And fifth, consider using natural skin lightening agents such as kojic acid, vitamin C, or niacinamide. While aloe vera gel is a great natural remedy for reducing the appearance of freckles, it is important to remember that it will not work overnight. It takes time and consistency to see results. Additionally, it is important to protect your skin from the sun and make lifestyle changes to improve your overall health. By taking these steps, you can help to reduce the appearance of freckles and achieve an even-toned skin. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you are looking for a natural way to reduce the appearance of freckles, then aloe vera gel is definitely worth trying. Give it a try and see for yourself the amazing benefits that it can bring to your skin. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, nature has the answer to all our problems. We just need to discover it. Stay curious, stay healthy. NAMASKAR